I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the voucher type and expiration so you don't hit a surprise error. Once confirmed, open the Customization or Store menu and select Voucher Redeem. Enter the exact code. Make sure capitalization and symbols match. If the voucher covers only part of the cost, check your balance and top up before finalizing. Doing this first avoids rollback later and speeds the application. Now that the code is accepted, move directly to choosing the base paint or wheel you'll apply. You now choose the exact paint or wheel option for the vehicle selected. Once in the Paint or Wheels tab, pick the base design the voucher unlocks. Use the Apply Voucher button so the system deducts the voucher first. Next, refine color, gloss, and finish settings. These choices affect resale and visibility, so consider contrast and values. Use the 360-degree preview to inspect fit and offsets. If rotation or fit looks off, make small offset adjustments rather than switching models. You finish by confirming the changes and accepting any remaining cost. Press Save or Purchase to finalize. After applying, load a quick test drive or showroom view so you can evaluate look and clearance under dynamic lighting. If the new wheels scrape or the paint glitches, don't panic. First, re-enter the voucher code to ensure it registered. Next, check server status and inventory limits. Sometimes items fail to apply due to sync issues. If problems persist, restart the game and try reapplying the voucher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.